Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Jas Nicole, and today I am going to be doing a cook with me video. But before we get started, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the push notification button so you can see when I upload my next video. Alrighty, so like I said, I'm doing a cook with me video. I am actually going to be making how I forget what I'm cooking. It's right in front of me too. I'm making a chicken burrito bowl. Well, kind of like a chicken burrito bowl. Basically, I love going to restaurants and getting like the bowl with like the rice, the chicken, black beans, corn, all that stuff. So I'm gonna do my own rendition of that. It usually takes me about 30 minutes or so to cook the meal. I usually try to pre-prep everything before I actually get to cooking. So I've like already cut up my chicken and seasoned it and all that stuff. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you all what I'll be using in today's cooking video. Alrighty y'all, so these are the items that I'll be using in my video. So I have my sriracha ranch dressing. So I actually wanted chipotle ranch dressing, but Kroger did not have any left. So I went ahead and got the sriracha ranch. I'm hoping that it tastes good. Then I got some corn, black beans, some salsa. Normally I would add diced tomatoes, but I did not pick up tomatoes at the store yesterday. I'll just be using this salsa. It's the medium spicy level, so not too spicy, but spicy enough. And then cilantro lime rice from Zatarain's. Y'all, this is the best cilantro lime rice you will ever eat from a box. It tastes amazing. And then, of course, I have my seasoned chicken. I season it with garlic powder, onion powder, some paprika, oregano leaves, black pepper, and some, what else did I use? Oh, some poultry seasoning. So I use that, and then I just kind of mix it all together. I didn't cook this chicken last night, so I just put it back in the fridge, and so now I have it out, getting ready to cook. So here I am getting ready to add the rice packet to my boiling water. As you can see, the seasoning and the rice is mixed together, so I'm just gonna pour all of that into the pot of water. Now that I've added the butter, I am going to go ahead and stir for a little bit, and then I'm going to turn the heat down to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 25 minutes. Next, I am adding my corn to a small pot, and I'm going to let that simmer on medium heat for about 5 minutes. Now I'm using some olive oil cooking spray to spray on my pan while it is heating up for the chicken. Now I'm just giving my corn one last stir before it's time for me to go ahead and drain the corn into my strainer, and then I am getting my pot ready to go ahead and saute the corn just a little bit with some butter. Alrighty, so my chicken is ready to be sauteed. I'm just adding the chicken to my pan that has been warmed with the olive oil spray, and then I am just going to mix it around and separate the pieces to make sure that all of the chicken is cooked evenly. So while my chicken is sauteing, I am just adding some black beans to a pot so they can simmer for about 4 minutes. As you can see, the chicken is starting to get brown around the edges, so I'm just gonna start moving the chicken around the pan so that all the pieces can get evenly sauteed. So my beans are done, so I'm just gonna turn off the heat, give it a little stir, and go ahead and get it ready to put in a bowl. Alrighty, so last but not least, the rice is done. I'm just using my spoon to get those seasonings mixed into the rice so that way it has an even taste all around. Alrighty y'all, so this is the final spread of things. So I have my cilantro lime rice, black beans, corn, sauteed chicken, and then the sriracha ranch and the salsa. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my bowl. So here is the final spread. I started off with the rice, then I did the beans, corn, a little bit of salsa, the chicken, and then I added a little bit of the sriracha ranch dressing. And so now I am going to dig in. Thank you all for watching this video. Let me know down in the comments what is your favorite meal to make for dinner. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Until next time, bye.